Alright y'all, I'm finally gonna get to do a video on something I enjoy doing. Got a cooker here, a guy I work with wants to go back in and do some modifications to it. Right now they got high burners in it. It's a pretty fast burner system in it. He wants it to slow cook instead of fast cook. We're gonna gut everything out, build new burners, clean it up a little bit, fix some little odd man things, getting ready for football season. Do a little cooking competitions he likes to do. We'll get a little before and a little after. So we get it looking better and cooking better. Alright, I got everything gutted out of it. Got some new latches on it. Had 3 burners in it before. We're going to put 2 in it this time. Trying to work on the lid a little bit, get it a little straighter. Just want to twist when it closes. Fill in these holes and cut 2 new holes. Come back when I get the burners in. Cut my slots out, I get them all cut out. Once I get the burners in, then I'll go back in and tune them. I usually go in the depth of the blade. That's how I know where to stop at. Here I'm putting the mounts in for the burners to bolt to. Use a 2-inch exhaust clamp to bolt them down to. Sets them up off the bottom, the height I need them. Plus it allows me to take the burners in and out so I can clean them and service them. this is what it turned out like. Like I said, this is not a grill I built. It's just one I redone some burners in for a guy I work with. These are the vents I put in for airflow. Put some paint on it, high temp grill paint. Took the 3 burners out the center. Put 2 low burners towards the bottom of the cooker. Help with slow cooking. I would have recorded more, but I'm trying to get used to this, going back and forth and record and work at the same time, and gives you a whole lot more respect for people that do this on a regular basis, because it's harder than it looks. Added some latches that will hold the lid down. And as you can see, the burners are a lot lower. Should cook a hog, no problem. All right, y'all, appreciate it. If you like what I do, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, help me out a little bit. I appreciate it. Thank you.